Yeah. So, we're on board for Tulipsi. Sana may mapulot kayo sa vlog natin. Travel vlog. Breakfast. We just landed. We're going to immigration and baggage claim. Very traveler man ang vibe. P, welcome to Georgia. Say, hello, Maldettes. Gano. Tour mo ko, be? Tour kita. Meet our tour guide!
Hello.
Say hi!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
Welcome to Georgia. Kamusta ka naman?
Nice.
Ako si Nico. Ganda sa Georgia, maganda ikaw.
Will be our tour guide in the next 7 days. Please take care of us.
Okay.
Go on favorite. Nanamig ako parang kay Carla. Diba? Si Madam, wala kang choice. Oh, thank you for coming. Hoy!
Hello guys! Yung shoes. Mga kababayan! Hep, hep! Hooray!
So, welcome to our Airbnb. Ang maingay naming living room. Mala sa living room yung kusina. And table. Nice! Yung mga rooms nila. Ang linis ng room ni Pap. Rooms ng girls. Kaka-arrive lang namin so hindi pa nakayos. We're gonna eat! Mamimili kami sa labas. Hindi pa rin kung underdress ako or overdress. Hindi na ako magpa-for jacket, no? Our first time to go out, mamimili lang kami. We're gonna go to Galleria Mall. I think yung lamig, manageable. So, like, thermal lang inside and then this knitted wear. Kaya naman with gloves and it's 5 degrees today.
Kapag may tag siya, government dog siya.
May try mo baho na aso.
Isa pa. Pablo. 5, 6, 7,
Hindi na tuloy yung McDo namin kasi 50 minutes waiting. So, order kami na. Nag-hi lang kami tapos gumagano siya. Hello vlog! Welcome to our people. What went down today? Wala. Nabago yung pa ako. Gift giving guys. Game na, game.
Wala music. Pablo na yung music for Christmas.
Punot ko po si Jeya May. Don't tell me! Ikaw nakapunot sa akin! Sabi mo na!
Speech
Alam mo
kasi.
yung speech pa? Dali na!
There's something you're thankful for na lang.
Eh,
One word to ano na lang to describe Jaya. One word lang.
Positive. Love ako. I know. Sige lang tayo!
Ay, ta... Ano yung napili ko si kay Pablo?
One word. One word to describe Pablo.
Humorous.
Nabunod ko si Josh.
One word to describe
Brother.
Hindi ko naisip yun.
Brother.
Next one is si Drake. Wow!
Dami price tag pa. Oh, 20.
Ay.
Perfect.
Nagano dito po si Lucky. Oh.
Uy, parang sa may loob nila. Sabi niya, ba't pants? Uy, how's environment daw?
One word. Magkati ka. Sister. Kasurod.
Hindi, parang hindi siya masaya.
Reversible yan, reversible. I-reverse mo.
Next one!
Labas!
Lago ka. Grabe. This is the latest model.
Gift card pala, gift card. Tinatibig kita.
Ayun na medyo maayos na. Kuha ka na lang.
Hi vlog! Welcome to our people! So we're off to our Christmas dinner. I think they booked sa pub. Resta naman yung pub outside. And we will ride Yandex. That's what they call sa Uber dito. Cheers everyone! Happy Christmas! Hindi ko lang masabi sa food.
Laki na yan? Laki lang.
Ano sabi mo sa ribeye? Medium well.
Drop.
Tumataas na ba yung
Congratulations.
Nate, kaya mo ba? Tigas? How are you people?
It's handsome, yeah, look at it.
Do you think I'm a dog person? Good morning from our people! Pagising namin, stabili sila kami. Big, kaka-arrive lang namin. Pagod na agad ako. Yesterday, we had... So, nung pagkakit namin sa Airbnb namin, kasi walang elevator. Happy lang din sa house. At how much lang yun? Medyo mura siya actually compared sa hotel. Nag-tour kami outside. Ang nabili namin sa City Mall. Mahal naman, hindi naman ganun kamura. We supposedly have a walking tour today. Pero kinancel ko na kasi yung mga kasama ko, tulog pa. Pero okay lang. Gigising yun sila ngayon. So, ang unang naising, congratulations Pablo for waking up at 10 a.m. Kahit naman talagang 10 a.m. yung tour natin. Thank you so much.
Oo nga, no?
Oh, si Jaya po, very responsible mom sa bahay. Very ano siya. Yung acrobatics pa mo. At ang sleeping. Sinabihan namin siya kahapon na, uy, 10 a.m. ang wake. Sabi, wala daw problema. Kaya daw niya magising. Or na, be. Be, cancel na, be. Wow, kunyari gulat siya. Wow. Hi, good morning. Say hi sa Lamig! Lamig! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! Hi, guys. We're with Tina Man. Hello. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! We have our day today para magliwaliw at mag-cable car at mag-eat somewhere. See ya!
Dito na tayo.
Sige ba? Welcome to Georgia! We're going to Restaurant Alani. Na may wine cellar. No. Enjoy, guys.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
So, what we ordered today, mostly pork. Pork. Papunta na. Jaya. Guys, it's a candy. Ang ganda! Hi guys! We're here in a cable car.
Alam mo, mas maganda kanina.
Hindi maganda yung nasa actually paggabi.
Ang ganda tayo parang bumikit.
Thank you.
Hi guys! So, nasa taas kami. Bakit ka tumatawa dyan, Lucky? Hi guys! Nandito kami sa taas ng bundok.
Wala ba tayo sa kalong?
Bilis. Pati bilising nga.
Ay, sorry.
Sobrang lamig. As in, ito lang yung nakasabas sa akin. Nabili ko sa Shein. Thank you so much. So, merong binoculars. Giyan, sabi mo, bigyan mo ako 1 real. Kita ko na naliligo doon.
Kita kami nagnanapa sa bahay natin.
So, we ordered ice cream. Yeah, we're here at Mother of Georgia. Kaya pa naman ang kamay ko. So, nag-walking tour na kami. So, naglalakad kami kanina pa. Siguro mga an hour na. Mula doon kay Mother of Georgia. Punta kami doon. Yan, be! Dyan, be! Oorasan namin ang paglalakad. Mga naglalawang isip mo sila, hindi na natuloy. Alam yan, na-realize. Naiyak ako.
Yes, sir.
Ato ka siya ba? Takot ako baka over.
Ate, may tao dyan.
Namumula yung mga ilong nyo ah. Ang cute nyo!
Walang bilis.
Let's go! At bridge. Good morning. 8 a.m. At kami pupunta sa Cagayan. We'll have our Cagayan tour today. Sobrang saya ni Pablo as in. Sobrang excited yan. Breakfast in Dunkin' Donuts.
Napaso, hindi lang ako.
Yes! Almost here in Signagi, City of Love. And first time namin makakita ng snow. We are in the monastery where only nuns, women, nuns
This one is a very cold
live.
one.
It's a very cold.
By nuns. So
Wow.
they live here in these houses. It's women's monastery. We have women's monastery, but the time was wooden, but it was remade in 11th century with rock. But her tomb is still inside, and believers go to her tomb and they touch hand or their cross or bracelet.
So we went inside the monastery. Let's light ng candle and pray for whoever we wanna pray. Grabe yung energy sa loob. As in, halos kaya kami lahat. Ganong vibes. It was good. Alam, may cat. Nagsusorry na agad kami sa tour guide namin kasi mga 30 minutes ng pictures taking session.
Truest.
Nicolas. This is the shortest cut going to the Signagi. So instead of using the bus na binayaran naman namin, bumabayad kami para mag-zipline ulit.
Feeling niya yung...
Sobrang excited si Pablo. Ayan na.
Makasama ko na siya. Okay na po, dagat eh.
Kilala stop by somewhere kasi daw maganda mag picture taking. And he gave us 10 minutes only. Come on, see the medyo taas. Ang grabe. Hala, taas binangin. Sa bubong lang naman kami. Hi, Mimi! Hi, Bebe! Thank you, Bebe. Si Jaya ang naka-jackpot sa amin ngayon. Jaya, money for you! So we're here to have lunch in the Terrace Signagi with all the plants. Buo na siyang chocolate babe. Hindi siya hot chocolate. Arrive in
Cagayan traditional winemaking.
Ba't tayo pumasok dito? Ako din. This is where they store the wine. Hi! So, 11 p.m. lumabas kami. Kagulo sila kasi hindi nila alam puntahan. Pero lumabas pa rin kami. Very helpful ang may 3 layer ka ng damit. Warmer, yung knitted, tapos coat or puffer. So, andito kami ngayon sa na-search ni Pablo. Ay, hindi na daw.
No? It says you're open. Lalapit ito.
Hindi. Itong Georgia, may something talaga dito sa Georgia. Last na natin to, be. Si Pablo talaga.
Tangin ito yung public. Dalawang artist niya, wala. Wala daw. Tinawagan niya.
Bad idea magpatato. Sa club na lang talaga kami. Nag-photo booth kami. Cute. Mga dapat magkapatato, mag-inom. Kay Lolita. Cheers! Maleta everywhere. It's our last day in Tbilisi. Chug! We're on the way to Godauri. Bakit ka ba nakatingin, Pablo?
Alam mo, napakasungit yan. Ano yan? Bash. Maligo dyan o.
Hala, may water.
May water.
Try natin, be!
More.
There are dogs literally everywhere. Driver namin. Hello! Hi! Wow, gagi ang taas. Amazing. Hala, may horse! This is the tunnel daw na pinupuntahan ng mga Georgians kapag a-atake yung Russians. Umakyat sila dun, oh. Yes! We'll go to cable car for an experience na namin before we have our brunch. We're in a cable car.
Kaya mo yan, Pablo. Kaya mo yan.
Medyo nakakatakot siya actually, pero kung may barricade, artificial snow daw yun, guys. Hi! Ito na yung snow!
Wala, higa tayo.
Hindi matigas siya. Lagot ka sa akin, Pablo. Nakatapos na laro sa snow.
Sa loob.
Nakakapagod, be? Mag-hi ka, Nate, please.
Ay.
We're having late lunch sa restaurant in Godauri. This is roasted chicken in garlic sauce.
So yeah. Guys, welcome to my vlog. So, this is Godauri. So, come. Hindi ko mag-edit ito. So, guys, dito po kami para mag-bakasyon.
English
and
dapat.
Thank you.
Nice view. As always. Morning. Medyo lobo na po tayo. We are here in our Airbnb in Godauri. So we booked Airbnb. Actually, originally for 8 people, pero then kami lumutin. Medyo masikip. Marami rin kami gamit. Spent 1 night here after namin maglaro sa snow kahapon. Then, nakatulog agad si Pagod. Tsaka sobrang lamig, sobrang lamig. Ano yun? Medyo pang yung Airbnb kasi walang washing machine. See you. Mag-off-road kami sa Kazbeki. And we'll see a lot of mountains.
Isa pa.
So we arrive and our first stop is in the Friendship Tower near Russia and Georgia. Gugutom ako. It's -7 degrees.
Grabe, sobrang lamig.
Hindi ako makangitan, tagas ng ako. Hindi ko ma-full out yung smile ko. That is that's the view on the other side. Sabi ko gusto ko mag-hiking. Pero hindi ganito sa Kalamig, be. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng background music. Hindi nga. Pero wala na sila. Always wear something on your head for girls and tatanggalin ang cap sa men. Okay. We are now here in a fancy restaurant in Quezbeco, having our late lunch. Pork na naman, of course. As always, ito lagi may soup. Pasta sita may chicken stew. Pork naman. We're going off-road. We're going to the frozen waterfalls.
Guys, dali, malayo-layo pa.
Halfway there na daw kami. Okay, afraid I'm gonna slip. Haya! Gago ka. Frozen waterfalls. It's -10 outside. And maglalakad kami. We're going to Spar to buy some food. Literally the whole day we slept and watched Netflix. So guys, tingnan niyo yung yellow.
Ito madami.
Bumili kami ng groceries sa Spar. Pablo na. So we cooked. Hello. Bye everyone. Sumama na sila. Bye!
Yes, pero tatapon ko sa
I thought you're leaving. Why are you still coming back?
Susunduin.
And pwede na daw maglakad.
Tapos,
The view outside of our room. And that's the view sa likod. Tignan mo naman. Ganda. The mountain. I'm watching Singles Inferno! Meron kaming olive oil. Inubos ni Gian kahapon sa pagluto niya ng oil pasta. Ngayon lang tumayot yung buhay namin sa bakasyon na to. Sorry sa mga kasama namin. Guys, that's one thing about Georgia. Not all people speak English. Another thing, medyo nakaka-boring mo na kasi masyadong magawa. Pero I'd rather stay at home din naman kaysa lumabas na lumabas. Sobrang lamig. Bait si Nicolas. Target namin. Number below. Contact him. So, yung mga tours na kinuha namin, sa Nicolo pa din. Mas nakamura kami actually kasi bukod sa private siya, mas nakamura kami kasi marami kami maghati-hati. 10 people kami naghati-hati. Si Scooby Dad dumating! Super laki niyang dog. Hi, Scooby Dad! Hi! You're welcome! Yay! It's our last day here in Quezbeco, in Georgia. That's our room! Thank you,
for
Nico, so
everything.
much.
It was nice having a trip
So
with you.
kind.
Best wishes and have a safe flight.
Thank you so much. Hearts!